Welcome back to STEAM. Today, we've got a couple of objectives that we're going to work on. We're going to actually do some block coding in code.org today. So the first objective, order movement commands as sequential steps in a program. That's where you put move forward, turn left, turn right. Those are all commands, and you're going to put them in the sequence to make the angry bird find the silly pig. You're also going to modify an existing program to solve errors. That's called debugging. And then we're going to break down a long sequence of instructions into the largest repeatable sequence. Okay, that is a very fancy way of saying we're going to look for patterns and put them in a special block called a repeat. So once again, that last objective, we're looking for patterns, things that happen over and over again. So we could put them into a repeat block. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Google Classroom for Junior High STEAM. And you're going to see a link there. It's called www.code.org. Click on that sign in button. You want to continue with Google, and you want to use your Google sign in from Cove School. Okay, so Mrs. Campbell's would look like tcampbell@coveschool.org. I'm going to choose that account and continue. And once you're there, you're gonna start off by watching this video. Now remember, you can watch this as a class, you can watch it with a partner, or you can watch it on your own. Once you click the sign in button for code.org, you should come to the code.org main website. Over here in the upper right-hand corner, you see sign in. Click on the word sign in. Then you're going to see this screen. You want to look for the red button that says continue with Google. The red button, continue with Google. Tap it. Then you're going to choose your account. You always want to use like mine, my Cove account. I have to use tcampbell@coveschool.org. So always use your coveschool.org account. Then it wants to have some access. I'm going to allow it. Okay. And then you'll get to your dashboard. You should be able to scroll on down, and then you'll see your section, STEAM Junior High, Course D. Course D is what you want to click on. And we are going to be taking a look at some practice puzzles. Your screens might look a little bit different from mine, but they should follow that same format. You want to sign in. You want to look for Junior High STEAM, Course D. Click on Course D. Okay, once you get started, you'll be ready to work on the puzzles. Okay, this is going to be what it looks like when you get into code.org and you're ready to play the video. Tap, and it's going to play. I am going to tap here for practice number 2. All right. What are some things that are going on here? This is the instructions bar. For this puzzle, snap all the blocks together and click Run to watch it go. There's some features over here. It'll read to you.
For this puzzle, snap all of the blocks together and click Run to watch it go.
Okay, so if you want it to read to you, just click over here on the play button. Here are the different blocks. These are the blocks that you're going to use as commands. Each one is a command. Move forward, move forward. So in order to solve the puzzle, we really need to take a look at Angry Bird here, the red bird, and he's got to come over here and actually get the silly pig, the green one. So how many steps forward is he going to take? Angry Bird is here. Move forward 1, move forward 2. So now I come over here to the block section and I click move forward, Okay, I think that's going to work. All right, maybe something's up there. Move those over there. Now, if I want to step through my process, I tap on step. And it goes one block at a time. Awesome. This step button is really helpful if you've got a tricky movement that you're trying to figure out. I'm going to reset my puzzle. If you're ready to run it because you think you've got it, click on run. Woo! He got it. We're going to continue. Here's the toolbox. It's where you'll find extra blocks to complete your puzzle. Our instructions. Drag an extra move forward block out of the toolbox, then attach all blocks to when run to finish your code. So when run is actually a command because when it's started, it's going to do something. Okay, so I'm going to click those in, move forward, move forward. I'll go over here to Angry Bird and just make sure. Move forward 1, move forward 2, move forward 3. Okay, grab that block from my block section, add it to my program. Now I'm pretty sure I've got this. So I'm just going to click run. Awesome. So as you go through the puzzles, they're going to get a little bit trickier. Now, here in puzzle 4, you're going to start talking about turning left and turning right. You're also going to think about debugging, taking some blocks out that might not belong there. So you're ready for that. It's just a little bit more difficult. Now, see this block? Turn left. There's a down arrow key. When I see down arrow keys, that means there's an option. Usually I can click on it, maybe not yet. Usually I can click on it and I get options, turn right or turn left. Sometimes they turn these off in the earlier puzzles, but they turn them back on in the later puzzles as you get better. All right, so you're going to look at this puzzle and throw away a block to see if you can get Angry Bird to Silly Pig. If you need help, see a solution right here. I think you've got it. So let's give it a try. It's your turn to try block coding on your own. All right, I hope it goes well. Let me know what you think. Post it in the comment section of Google Classroom.